morning students. I hope you all are doing well. So we are doing our chapter 5, that is tables and hyperlinks in HTML. So I told you HTML is used for creating the web pages, and we are using different HTML tags for creating the web page. Okay, so previously we learned about different text formatting tags for creating the web page. Okay, so today I will show you how to create a web page using those text formatting tags. So let's start. Chapter 5, Tables and Hyperlinks in HTML. So students, previously we learned about text formatting tags. So these are used to format the appearance of your text on the web page. Okay, now let's see which are the text formatting tags. First, heading tags. So if you want to create heading for your web page, you can use this heading tags. Here n varies from 1 to 6. So you can use this from h1 to h6. Okay, h1 will be the largest heading and h6 will be the smallest heading. Okay. Next, B tag, that is bold tag. So if you want to make your text in bold on your web page, then you can go for this B tag. Next, italics tag. I stands for italic. Okay, if you want to make your text in italic, then you can use this italic tags. Next, underline tag. U stands for underline. Okay, so if you want to make your text underlined, then you can go for underline tag. Next, strike tag. So if you want to make your text strike out, then you can use this strike tag. Next, SUP. SUP stands for superscript. So if you want to make your text superscript, then you can go for SUP tag. Okay. Superscript means the text will appear upper to the normal line. Okay, that is superscript. Next, subscript tag. So if you want to make your text subscript, then you can go for SUB tag. So subscript means it is lower to the text will appear lower to the normal line. It's opposite of superscript. Okay. Next, paragraph tag. If you want to start a paragraph, then you can use this P tag. P tag does not have close. Okay, close tag. So just you have to start with this P tag and you have to start a paragraph. Okay, you don't need to close this paragraph tag. Next, center tag. So if you want to make the text at the center of your page or middle of your page, then you can go for this center tag. Next, BR tag, that is line break tag. If you want to break your line, then you can use this line break tag. Next, horizontal rule tag, that is HR tag. So if you use this HR tag, then it will make a horizontal line, okay, on your web page. By using this HR tag, you can make a horizontal line on your web page. Next, font tags. There are 3 font tags. If you want to change the font face or font color or font size of your text, then you can use this font tags. There is a syntax for font tag, that is you have to open the font attribute. Which attribute? It can be face, color or size. If it is for size, then you have to open the font size attribute, then equal to, then within inverted comma you have to enter the value. So here the value varies from 1 to 7. 1 will be the smallest font size and 7 will be the largest font size. Then you have to close the font. Okay. Children, today I will show you how to create a web page using these text formatting tags. For that, first of all, you have to open your Notepad program in your computer. So type to search for Notepad program. So here you can see the Notepad program. Okay. So double click on the Notepad program. It will be opened. So here is the Notepad program opened. Now I have told you, for creating a web page, at the beginning and end of the HTML program, you have to use which tag? Yes, HTML tag. So I'm typing here at the beginning and end of the program, I'm using the HTML tag. See. So you can see here I have used the HTML tag at the starting and end of the program. Okay. Now after HTML tag, we are using which tag? Header tag. So you have to use the header tag after this. Now after opening the header tag, you have to open your title tag. Okay. So I have opened the title tag, then I have entered the title, that is Silver of School, then I have closed the title tag. Now after title tag, we have to close the header tag. So I have closed the header tag. Now I have to start the body of your web page. Okay, so I have to start the body tag. So I just started the body tag. So after opening the body tag, you have to enter the body of your web page. That means you can use the text formatting tags within the body tags as shown here. Okay, you can see here I have opened the body tag here and I have closed here. Okay, see within the body tags only we have to enter the text formatting tags. Okay, so I need a heading for my web page. So for heading we are using HN tag. Now, so N varies from 1 to 6. So I can use H1 to H6 here. So I'm using here H1 because H1 is the largest heading that I can give to my web page. Okay, so I'm opening a heading H1. Okay, and I need my heading at the center of the web page. So I'm using center. I'm opening the center tag. Then I need my heading in bold. So I'm using B, and also I need my heading in italics. Okay, so I'm using this italic tag also, and I need my heading underlined, so I am using underline tag also. Okay, so I have used the heading tag, opened the heading tag, then center tag, then bold, italic and underline tag. Okay, then my heading, I have to enter my heading within the opening tags. Okay, so these are all the opening tags. Now I am entering my heading name. What is the text? Tags used in HTML. So this will be the heading, and it will be center of the web page, and it should be bold and italic, and this should be underlined also. Okay, next I'm using this SUP tag. What is SUP? Stands for superscript. Okay, superscript means this text, whatever I'm entering within this superscript tag, that will appear as superscript. That means it will appear on the upper of the normal line. That means this heading के थोड़ा सा ऊपर आपको this class 8 मिलेगी. So this class 8 text I am using, I have to get as superscript. Okay, so class 8 will be lie on the little upper of this normal text. Okay, next I have to close the superscript, and now I am using a subscript. That is, for subscript I am using SUB tags. Okay, I have to open the subscript and I have to enter what I have to make as subscript. So I'm here entered a text section A. So this will lie lower to the normal text. Okay, then I have to close the subscript tag also. Then so I have done my heading. Then little upper of the heading I will get class 8 as superscript text and section A as subscript text. Okay, now I have to close the tags whatever I have opened here. So the tag that I have opened at the first, that I should close at the last only. It's not like in the same order. Okay, reverse order. फर्स्ट से लास्ट तक कितना ओपन किया है, सो इधर आप लास्ट से फर्स्ट तक क्लोज करना है. वट एवर टैक्स यू आर ओपनिंग एट द फर्स्ट ऑफ द at the first, that you have to close at the last. So second I have opened the center tag, so second last I have to close the center tag. Then I have opened bold, italic and underline. So in the reverse order you have to close the tags. Okay, clear? Next, after this heading I need a paragraph. So for starting a paragraph I have to use this P tag. Okay, so you have to use this P tag. Now I'm giving some font properties, that is font size. So this is the syntax for font tag. You have to open the font size equals to, you have to enter the value within the inverted comma. So I am entering the size 5. You can enter from 1 to 7. 1 will be the smallest font size and 7 will be the largest font size. So I am entering here 5. Okay, next I have to I need my paragraph, that is text in chiller font face. That is a font type. Okay, that I have to enter within the same syntax. Then this is the text that I am going as a paragraph. I am starting as a paragraph. Okay, there are 4 sets of HTML tags available. Now I have entered my text. Now I have to close the tags. So what are the tags I have to close? Font face, in the reverse order we have to close. So first close the font face, then font size. Okay, paragraph tag we won't close because at the starting of the paragraph we have to just use the P tag. No need to close the P tag. Okay, next again in the next line I have to again start as a paragraph. Okay, now again I have given font size, font faces, Arial. Okay, so now here I am entering HTML as a text. Okay, HTML. Next, within italics and strike. Strike means it will get strike out your text. So within this strike and italics tag I have entered header. So my header, the text header will become in italics and striked out. Okay, next first I have to close these tags, and again I have to close the tags that I have opened at the beginning. Again next line I started with a paragraph. Again font size I have given font face also, Arial. Okay, this is my text, that is title. Okay, next in italics and bold I need body. in italics I need body. Okay, so I have to close the italics and then close the face tag and font size tags. Okay, clear? This is how then I have to close the body tag and HTML tag. Okay, this is the way how you have to create a notepad program for creating a web page. Okay, now after creating the program we have to save the file. So you have to save the file, go to file. Okay, save as. Now I am saving in documents only. Okay, give a name to your file. I am saving this as class 8. Okay, class 8 in the form of in the extension of .html or .htm. Then only it will be saved as a web page, otherwise it will not open in a web page. Okay, so whenever you are saving your file you have to use this .html or .htm extension. Okay, now you have to save your file. So it's saved. Now you can see here class 8. Okay, so your file name is class 8. You have to open your file that you have saved in your documents. So open your my computer and you can see here where is documents. Click on this. You can see here class 8. Okay, see, if your program or file is saved in .html or .htm extension, then it will show us like this only. Okay, that means you can open this in a web page. Okay, so you can see here the description is given type HTML file. So this is a HTML file, so you can open this. So one more thing, if you want to open this file you need an internet connection. So you have to connect your computer or laptop to internet, then only it will be opened, otherwise it will not open. Okay, so here I have connected to a network, so I am opening this. Double click. Now see, so this is the title of our web page that we have given, Silver Rock School, right? Next we have given the heading as tags used in HTML. It is center of the page and it is in italics and bold and it is also underlined. Now after this we have used superscript as class 8 and the subscript text as section A. You can see here clearly. Okay, now after heading then we started as a paragraph. So I have used the font face chiller. This is the font type chiller. Okay, like this only the text will be available. So there are 4 sets of HTML tags available. And next again started as a paragraph. Here you can see HTML, right? Then we have done next text in italics and strike we have used. So that is header. Next again title, that was started with another paragraph. Okay, title. Then I have used the text body in italics. Okay, so this is the way you have to use the text formatting tags for creating a web page. Okay, actually there is no activities in your chapter. There are few examples given that you can go through those examples. Okay, for your understanding I am just showing this. So you must know which are the text formatting tags and what is the use of that tags. Okay, so children, that's all about today's topic. Rest of the topic we will do in our next class. Okay, thank you.